Hola everyone. Welcome to another Spanish lesson with me, Señora C. In today's lesson, we will focus on el verbo estar, the verb estar. Estar is an irregular verb that means to be. Here are the conjugations. Yo estoy, tú estás, usted está, él está, ella está. Nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ustedes están, ellos están, ellas están. Notice that most of these conjugations have a written accent above the A, but there is no written accent in the yo form or the nosotros form. Two of the ways we use estar are to express feelings or emotions and to tell location. In this lesson, we will focus on location. Let's begin with a few location words. Delante de, al lado de, encima de, debajo de. Let's see where some things are located in this scene. El hombre está delante de la ventana. La lámpara está al lado del sofá. Las flores están encima de la mesa y la alfombra está debajo de la mesa. Now let's look at these sentences in writing. El hombre está delante de la ventana. La lámpara está al lado del sofá. Las flores están encima de la mesa. La alfombra está debajo de la mesa. Notice that in number 2, you see the word del. This is a contraction in Spanish that is formed by combining the preposition de plus the masculine definite article el. However, with the de la combination, the two words remain separated. This concludes our lesson on the verb estar. Until next time, hasta luego. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell.